Hi friends, welcome to our channel Steps for Success. In this video, can make continuously ratio analysis lecture in management accounting. It is also preparation of balance sheet in the question given, the all related data, ratios given and given other some information and make the preparation of balance sheet. So this is our question for solution today's. Sales to net worth, current debt to net worth, total debt to net worth, current ratio given, net sales to inventory, average collection period, fixed asset to net worth. So we have can make solution for net worth, long term debt, current debt, fixed asset, cash, stock, sundry debtors. So this is our question. So first you can write the question, then you have understand the solution, what the given data in the question. So let's start make the solution, right? So first one, sales to net worth. So first we can find out sales, right? So sales to net worth given in the question, how much? 2.3. 2.3 is to sales given in the question 32 lakh. Sorry, sales given in the question, sales is equal to 32 lakh, right? 32 lakh on we can find net worth. So net worth we can make cross multiplication. Net worth is equal to 3 lakh 32 lakh on 2.3 is to 2.3 this side. So 3 lakh 32 lakh upon 2.3. So how much? 13,91,000. 13,91,304. This is our net worth. Next, current debt to net worth given in the question 42%. Current debt is equal to net worth into 42 on 100. So net worth given, how much given? We can find 13,91,304 into 42 on 100. So 13,91,304 into 42%. 5,84,348. This is our current debt. So next, total debt to net worth given in the question 75%. So net worth how much? 13,91,304 into 75 on 100. 13,91,304 into 75%. 10,43,000. 10,43,478. Total lakh, how much we can find? It is our total lakh debt, 10,43,000. 10,43,478. So current debt how much? We can find 5,84,348. So we can make less 10,43,478 minus 5,84,348. So 4,59,130. It is our long term debt, right? Next, current ratio. So current ratio given in the question 2 is 2.9. So current asset is equal to current debt 2.9. So current asset divided by current liability is our current ratios formula. So current asset is equal to current debt into 2.9. So current asset is equal to current debt how much? We can find 5,84,348 into 2.9. So 5,84,348 into 2.9, 16,94,609 is our current asset. Next, net sales to inventory. Net sales to inventory given in the question 4.7. Right, net sales how much? 32 lakh. So 32 lakh. So inventory cross multiplication given, making inventory is equal to net sales on 4.7. So 32 lakh on 4.7, 6,80,851. 6,80,851 is our inventory. Next, average collection period. Average collection period given in the question 64 days. 64 days. So 64 days of average collection period given. Average debtor we can find. We have to find average debtors, right? On net credit sales per day 32 lakh on 360y in the year, in days of year. So we can make cross multiplication. Average debtors. So 64 into 32 lakh, 64 into 32 lakh on 365. So 64 into 32 lakh divided by 365. How much? 5 lakh 61,096. It is our debtors. So next, current assets. We can find how much? 16,94,609. Debtors we have to find already 5,61,096. Inventory find 6,80,851. We can find inventory, right? So you can add this two amount, 5,61,096 plus 6,80,851, 12,41,947. So minus 16,94,609. So 4,52,662 is our cash amount. Next, fixed asset to net worth given in the question 53%. So net worth how much? Net worth 53.2 on 100. Net worth how much? 13,91,304 into 53.2 on 100. So fixed asset to net worth, this net worth 13,91,304 into 53.2 on 100. So remaining 7,40,173. So net worth 13,91,304. Long term debt we can find 4,59,130. Current debt also we can find 5,84,348. So next fixed asset how much? 7,40,173. Cash we can find 4,52,662. And next stock 6,80,851. Next debtors also we can find 5,61,096. So we can make total this side and total liability and total current total assets. So 24,34,000 782. Total asset 13,91,304 plus 4,59,130 plus 5,84,348. 24,34,782. So total amount are equally balanced. So this is our answer for this type of question. So this is very easy for your examination. So continuously making support our channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment on comment box. So support our channel, like and share to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, friends.